Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Fiat 124 Spider versus the Abarth 124 Spider. These two Italian roadsters share a common foundation, but they cater to different driving desires. The standard Fiat 124 Spider emphasizes a comfortable, stylish cruising experience, while the Abarth version dials up the performance and aggression. We will explore their unique features to help you decide which one best suits your open-top driving adventures. Under the hood, both cars share a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. The standard Fiat 124 Spider delivers 160 horsepower, offering a smooth and responsive ride. The Abarth, however, is tuned for more excitement, pushing out 164 horsepower. It also gains a stiffer suspension with Bilstein dampers and a mechanical limited-slip differential, enhancing its agility and allowing for a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in roughly 6.8 seconds. Beyond performance, the Abarth 124 Spider distinguishes itself with unique styling and features. You'll immediately notice its signature quad-tip record Monza exhaust, delivering a more exhilarating sound. Inside, the Abarth offers sport seats, often with red accent stitching and Alcantara, plus matte gray trim. On the exterior, it sports distinct Abarth badges, 17-inch gunmetal wheels, and an optional hand-painted racing stripe. For enhanced stopping power, Brembo brakes are also an available option. Ultimately, the choice between the Fiat 124 Spider and the Abarth comes down to your driving preferences. The standard Fiat is perfect for those who appreciate a comfortable, stylish, and relaxed open-top cruiser, ideal for scenic drives. If you crave a more spirited, engaging, and aggressive driving experience with sharper handling and a more pronounced exhaust note, then the Abarth 124 Spider is undoubtedly the better choice for you.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.